With your membership login, you'll get access to the Monday Girl Social Club dashboard where you'll find everything you need to level up your network and start connecting with professional women across industries. Find mentors from top companies to book office hour sessions with where you can learn from senior leaders, ask questions, and get advice. Attend monthly private events like our Tastemaker series where you can hear from industry experts, plus unlock over 50 hours of conversations, workshops, and masterclasses on topics like negotiating your salary, getting promoted, and more. RSVP to in-person member meetups across major cities where you'll have the chance to connect with other members in person over brunch, happy hour, and private workouts. Or ask questions, share resources, and celebrate your wins in our digital community forum, an empowering place to build connections, get advice, and ask the questions you might be afraid to ask. Members also get access to our resource library, stacked with career templates and downloads to fast-track a job search and reach your goals. Join the network you need for the career you want. Become a member and join thousands of professionals now. See you inside.